Hello students, welcome to our first module of class 8 Geography, Resources and Development, Chapter 3, Mineral and Power Resources. In this module, we will discuss about the different types of minerals as well as about extraction of minerals. So let us begin. Mineral and power resources are essential components of modern industry. The industrial and economic development of a country depend on the presence of mineral and power resources. We know that the surface of Earth is made up of different types of rocks. The rocks are composed of materials called minerals, but the quantity and type of minerals may differ. A rock may consist of one material or combination of several minerals. The rocks from which minerals are mined or extracted are called ores. Let us find out what exactly are minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have a definite chemical composition. Minerals are created by the natural processes in different geological environment and circumstances. They are created without any interference of humans. Minerals are recognized and classified on the basis of different qualities like color, hardness, density. Minerals are unevenly distributed on the Earth's surface. They are confined and associated with certain types of rocks. Now let us discuss about the different types of minerals. There are innumerable minerals on the Earth. Minerals can be classified on the basis of their physical characteristics like color, density, hardness, etc., as well as their chemical characteristics. Based on the composition, they are classified into metallic and non-metallic minerals. Now let us talk about the metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are generally found as ores which contain metals in their raw forms. They are further classified into ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals like iron ore, manganese and chromites contain iron. Non-ferrous minerals like lead, copper and gold do not contain iron. Non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metal. They are generally found in sedimentary rocks. Coal, salt, potash, sulfur, etc. are some examples of non-metallic minerals. Now let us discuss about the extraction of minerals. The process of extracting minerals from the rocks buried under Earth's surface is called mining. The holes or pits dug in the earth to extract minerals are called mines. Now let us discuss about the different types of mining. Minerals are extracted from the earth by different methods. Open cast mining. Minerals that lie at the shallow depth are extracted by open cast method. Such minerals are taken out by removing the upper layer of the earth. Then comes shaft mining. Minerals that lie deep inside the earth are extracted by digging or boring shafts. These shafts are made to reach the minerals that are deep inside the earth. Shafts may be vertical or sloping. This method is ideal for extracting iron and coal. Then comes drilling. Petroleum and natural gas are found very deep below the earth or sea level. To extract them, deep wells are bored. This method of mining is called drilling. Next comes quarrying. Minerals that lie near the earth's surface are extracted by digging them out. This method is called quarrying. Let us summarize what we have learned today. Minerals are naturally occurring substances that have a definite chemical composition. On the basis of composition, minerals are classified into metallic and non-metallic types. Metallic minerals are of two types, that is ferrous and non-ferrous. Mining, drilling and quarrying are the three extraction methods of minerals. Now let us see what you have grasped today. Here are some questions for you. Your question number 1 is, the process in which deep wells are bored to take out petroleum and natural gas is called, and the options are A. Quarrying, B. Shaft mining, C. Drilling, or D. Open cast mining. And the correct answer is C. Drilling. Your second question is, Which of the following is not a ferrous mineral? And the options are A. Gold, B. Iron ore, C. Manganese, or D. Chromite. And the correct answer is A. Gold. Your third question is, a mineral which has iron content is known as, and the options are A. Non-metallic minerals, B. Ferrous mineral, C. Non-ferrous mineral, or D. Black gold. And the correct answer is B. Ferrous mineral. It's practice time now. Here is some home task for you. Your first question is, what are minerals? Your second question is, name any 3 common minerals used by you every day. Your third question is, distinguish between ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. And your fourth question is, write about the different methods of mineral extraction from the mines. In our next video, we'll discuss about distribution of minerals. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.